A question we get asked often here at Dawn's Appliances is what luxury brand should I be looking at? What luxury brands should I avoid? This comes up because we're in an era where the range is becoming the center of the kitchen, the center of the selection process. And it really just kicks off where customers go for branding for the rest of the kitchen typically. Walking in through our store, there's a lot of brands that you won't see that you might see when you maybe Google the best pro range or most affordable luxury range, something along those lines. Brands like Cooked, Cosmo, Ilve, Hallman, Thor, things of that nature, you're going to see them sitting in a price tier that is just a good bit below where everything else in that segment would be. Whether it be a 30, a 36 inch, a 48 inch, a 60 inch, gas, dual fuel, whatever you may be looking at. There's a reason why that price is so much lower. These are not actual appliance manufacturers. These are just, really at the end of the day, sales organizations that are rebadging products. Primarily, these ranges are all coming out of a couple of different factories overseas. And as far as the complementary products like the dishwashers, the microwaves, the refrigerators, they're OEM'd or rebadged from another major appliance manufacturer. The issue with these brands is that they're not going to offer back-end parts and service, and that's why you're not going to see them here at Dawn's Appliances. The brands that we're going to carry are brands that we can stand behind and service for as long as you're going to own them. These are brands like Wolf, Sub-Zero, Cove, Thermador, Gaggenau, Miele, Signature Kitchen Suites, Monogram, and things of that nature. These are brands that are established. These are brands that are established and have a support network, whether it be for having parts, having their own factory service nationally, and offering us support as a servicing dealer to make sure that we can take care of you, the customer. Any other questions that you might have about luxury brands, you can hop online to dawnsappliances.com or stop into our showrooms, and you're only going to see brands that are going to have service and support.